G'day guys, Board Buster from Wellington. Yeah, today was pretty windy, like we're reading like 15 to 20 knots on the wind meter. Anyway, a lot of the guys decided to have a windsurf today. A lot of them still prefer to have a windsurf when it's really strong, when the wind's really up around that 15, 20 knots plus wind. So that's Nick and Vando heading out. So Nick's on a 6.9 and Vando was on a 6.2, and they're swapping gears around a bit today because Nick's got a new board. He's got a new JP board, and Vando was giving it a go a couple of times. Anyway, that's me there. I've come out with a 5 metre wing today because it was pretty consistently over 15 knots, so I just thought I'd give the 5 metre a go today. I'm on my Axis Blast 85 litre with my Axis B2 999 in the yard, and yeah, getting along pretty good. It was a little bit challenging today, and like really windy and a fair bit of chop in the pond today, and as you can see, the tide's fairly high, so the chop and all that's washing over the sandbar there and the reefs. So anyway, I was trying a few tacks today in the choppier, windier conditions, and with the smaller wing and the smaller foil. So yeah, it didn't go too bad. I was getting around on quite a few tacks, but then I seem to be stalling it a lot, as you can see. Then I kind of stall it, drop off the foil and touch down a bit. It was pretty easy to get going each time. Like yeah, the wind wasn't dropping down below 15 knots much, so yeah, every time I stopped it was pretty easy to get going again. Coming around a nice jibe then. Decided not to try a tack. Yeah, so just blast around the pond and they're having a good time. In amongst the sail borders and that. Really clear skies today, like no humidity, and so the picture quality is really good today. Like, well, there goes another tack. Yeah, you can see right over the Stratty, really clear, and it really helps the camera, the quality of the videos. That's Nick coming in on Vando's gear then, and that's Shano. He's come out with a 6 metre sail, so he's getting a few really nice runs. Anyway, this is Graham's come out. Graham's on I think it's a 4.5 metre wing, that one, and yeah, he had his Axis Art V2 999 in also, and he's trying to learn how to tack. So he's oh, that didn't go real well. He tried a hillside tack then, which is pretty hard, and just didn't go right. Going along nicely, powered up into attack. Got around okay, but I kept on stalling it and touching down today. Anyway, this is Chriso's come out. Haven't seen much of Chriso lately. Apparently he's been off on a few injuries from his mountain bike, push bike, and it's good to see him back on the water, but seen him a couple of times lately, but yeah, no shirt on as usual. Chris always windsurfing with no shirt on. That's Nick and Vando, both back on their own gear at the moment. Coming around toe first and switching my feet, and I'm off. Not a bad foot switch. Ooh, powered up there. Wings up high. Usually means I'm hanging on. Oh, bird's beating me. Bit of a branch washed up on the reef there. Chris and Van are having a nice run in together. Chris on a 7.5. He's a big fella, so he's hanging on to it quite well. Hasn't got it quite raked back as nicely as Vano, but going along okay. Going along one hand and having a nice casual sailing. A little bit of chop there, they're getting bounced around a bit. There's a good picture of Nick on his new JP board. Going along quite nice. Not sure what size board it is, but I'll find out eventually. Yeah, nice smooth jibe. There's Chris heading out in the chop. It just gets choppier and choppier out there. And they're doing like 2 or 3 kilometre runs out at times today. So a really long way out in the bay. There's that branch. Wouldn't want to run into that. Up in the shallow, like it's stuck on the reef. Didn't see it floating across the pond when I was sailing anyway. There was a few sticks floating around today, I'm not sure why. It's maybe washed out from the big tides we've got at the moment. Anyway, that's Graham coming back out. He's gone and changed down to a 3.5 metre wing now, I think it is. Having a little bit of trouble getting going there. It looks pretty glassy where he was, but he's just hit the wind at the moment, and he's off. Oh, try to tack then, or going along heel first, and he tried to tack and it didn't feel right, so he changed his mind by the looks of it. Nice and clear looking out at Stradbroke Island today. Oh, here comes Nick and Chris up, having a nice run in together. Gets flatter and flatter up the corner where they're heading now, but yeah, just gets shallower and shallower. Like you can see the brown water in the front of the video there. It's really shallow there. It's all coppy rock, and there's a dark stain in the water out further. It's the kind of like weed. So yeah, you wouldn't want to go up even there with a fin. It's just too shallow. Oh, another nice tack. Pushed down a bit. Kept it going and got it up pretty quick. Better than nothing. At least I didn't fall off, which is good. Oh, bit of a wonky jive then, but I made it around. Here goes Graham. Going along toe first now, see if he'll do a tack. There he goes. Yeah. Oh, got the wing behind him and pulled him over the back. Well, he got tangled up that time and didn't go real well again. Oh, a nice jibe, Vando. That was probably like a 20 knot alpha. That was a pretty good jibe, and he got going really quick. Nick having a nice run in. He's heading towards the camera, so it doesn't look like he's going real fast, but he's getting a really nice run in. A little bit of chop there. Bouncing him around a bit. Nice shot in the background. Do film this seagull flying around in front of her. It's having a bit of trouble in the strong wind and in a bit of lift off the rock wall, but very skillful. That's Shane-O and Chris-O heading out, having a nice run out together. Anyway guys, I've had enough. I'm coming in. I've done like 16 kilometres, so yeah, not a bad session. Thanks for watching.